Did you just delete your WhatsApp messages and realize there is no backup? Or maybe you reinstall WhatsApp and suddenly everything is gone? This happens more often than you think, and in most cases it's caused by one simple mistake. But there is a good news. Your chats might still be recoverable. In this video we'll show you 4 real ways to restore WhatsApp data even if you think it's already lost. Let's dive in it right now. The easiest and most reliable way to restore WhatsApp data is using a tool called DroidKit. This is especially useful if you don't have a backup or if your backup failed. What I personally like about this utility is that the interface is very clean and easy to navigate. Everything is well structured, so even if you have never used such tools before, it's pretty straightforward. At the same time, it also gives enough control and flexibility for more experienced users. Here is how it works step by step. First, download and install DroidKit on your computer and then open the application. Next, in the pop-up menu, choose Data Recovery and select WhatsApp Recovery option. After that, connect your Android phone using a USB or Type-C cable. Once your device is detected, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions. The whole process is guided, so you don't really need any technical background. DroidKit will scan your device and find deleted WhatsApp data, including chats, photos, and attachments. After the scan, you can preview everything and select only what you want to recover, which is really convenient. Then simply restore the data back to your device or save it to your computer. And that's it. In just a few minutes, your WhatsApp data can be back. Sometimes WhatsApp stores temporary data in cache. To try this, open the File Manager, go to the WhatsApp folder, look for Databases or Cache-related files. If you're lucky, you might find recent messages data here, but keep in mind, this method is not always reliable. It only works if data hasn't been overwritten yet. For the next tip, just reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and tap Restore Backup when prompted. Your chats should come back automatically. However, this only works if a backup exists, and restoring it may replace your current data. Another option is restoring your WhatsApp data from a cloud backup, like Google Drive. If you have never turned on automatic backups, your chats might already be saved there. First, make sure you're logged into the same Google account you used before, then reinstall WhatsApp on your phone. When you open it, verify your phone number, and after that, you should see a Restore from Backup option on the screen. Just tap on it, wait for a few minutes, and your chats will start coming back. However, this method only works if a backup actually exists in your cloud account. And please keep in mind, restoring a backup will replace any current data on your device. To avoid losing data on your WhatsApp in the future, make sure that you turn on automatic backups. More than that, save important chats manually, and avoid reinstalling WhatsApp without checking your backup status first. A few small steps can save you a lot of trouble. Well, as you can see, there are several ways to restore WhatsApp data, depending on your situation. But if you are looking for the easiest and most reliable method, especially without a backup, you can try DroidKit. We'll leave the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.